Hello everyone, it's Recharger here, and today I am back with a video which is not a small car video. This one's actually, for a change, a big one. So this is a 1/18 scale car. I think that for the future videos there's going to be 2 videos with 1/18 scales because I got 2 of them. But in this video I got this one, which is the Lamborghini Sian FKP 37. This is a Burago. And you can see the price on it in my country, but this is a pre-owned car. As much as I know, the person who had it just had it unpacked and sitting on the shelves like normal people would do. This is not a played with car. So nothing much more I can say. Let's get into the opening. I hope this video turns out normally horizontal, not like sideways, which I had some issues before and I have no idea why those issues were even a thing. Okay, so it's in this paper. Oh, nice. It's been screwed on, as you can see, and I should have a screwdriver right here. So let's get this one. Ooh, I can feel the opening parts opening. Just hold it like so. Get it off the base so we can have a look at it. Oh, nope. I'll just get the other one. Oh, I can feel it coming off. From the front, the back should be somewhere there in the same time. Oh, there it goes. Alright. Let's get this away from it. That's that. Never mind that. Okay, so it has a little bit of dust everywhere. Like I said, it's been sitting already in a shelf probably before. There you go, 1/18 scale. It's been a while since I've gotten any of these. The back looks amazing. This won't be the highest detailed car, but I don't know anybody else who makes these. I'm more of an American car collector myself, but I do like Lamborghinis and some other those type of vehicles. Okay, there we go. There's the front, and there's nothing to see. There's just plastic, as you can see. Don't see the point of this opening even. The back. How does the back open? Just here it wants to be. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's the back and won't stay open, sadly. So there you go. You can see the engine. A V12 engine, of course. There's a little badge there. You can see it. V12. I like the carbon stuff, bars and everything. I'm curious how the doors open. Do they open upwards, or do they open? Should be upwards because it's a Lamborghini. And okay, yes. Wow. That's cool. Don't want to break anything. Okay, there's the doors. You can see they open upwards. And you get a little view on the interior right there. Got some dials and stuff in there also. You can see saying Sian on the sides. Steering wheel moves as the wheels turn. Very, very slightly, nothing too much. All in all, okay, let's get these down. Okay, there we go. It has a little bit of a purposely placed spots where you have to close it down. Okay, there we go. not the easiest doors to open and close. That's for sure. So, oh, and if the bottom, you want to see the bottom, see, there's nothing here to see besides the scale, the number. Oof, my camera is like slightly delayed for some reason. So yeah, there you go. If you want to get this thing for your collection, now you can and you can see what you're gonna get out of this. That's that. Well, this video wasn't that long at all. Wait, I've noticed the slight. Is that an issue, or is that? See, the front light looks a little bit more out than it should be. Not sure if it's that. Oh, yeah, it's has come out for some reason. Could be a manufacturer issue now, a pre-owned issue. Yeah, I'm sad that I noticed that now. It's okay. I'll see if I can fix that on my own. But all in all, that's it. Like and subscribe if you did like the video, of course. And see you in the next one. Ciao.